My name is David Lee. I was born in Palatka, Florida, and grew up in a little town called Rockingham, North Carolina. My profession before Incruises was a career aviator in the Air Force, enlisted aviator. I flew on the C-130s, the cargo airplanes, and so I did that for almost 20 years, and my combined Air Force time was 26 years. I was first introduced to Incruises by my good friend Kelly Reese, now good friend, and so I got an email from him. It was basically asking me, and I guess everybody else on his list, do you like to cruise? And of course I do, and we did. We actually got married on a cruise, so it was a pretty quick, easy answer to say yes. And I answered the email, looked at the program, and I could not believe what I saw. It was absolutely one of the best things I'd ever seen. What I love the most about Incruises is very simple, is the fact that you can talk to someone about a program, not have to talk about money. You don't have to talk about anything except cruising. And it's nothing that you have to convince them for. They either like to cruise or they don't, or they want to cruise. It's not a convincing thing. You just simply are able to talk to people about it in a very natural way. And it's just a simple conversation to have. In the networking industry that I've been a part of for a long time, you had to cover a lot of bases to strike a chord with people to generate interest. Here you do not. They already know that they like to cruise. Now, the next option is showing them how to do it a lot cheaper. For a lot less money. That's something that's just unusual in the industry. They haven't taken a product or a membership and jacked up the price to cover out the plan. No, people actually gain value by being a member with the company. And so as long as you like to cruise and you know you're going to want to do it down the road several times for the rest of your life and enjoy the cruise lifestyle, you're going to save thousands and thousands of dollars by being a member with Incruises. Our life is a lot better by being with Incruises simply for the fact that we love to travel, and Incruises is making it a lot simpler for us to do that. A cruise ship, they provide luxury accommodations, they provide fantastic dining, entertainment. It's all included in the price. So that experience has made it a lot better. And then on the partnership side, my wife and I, we became membership free and then eventually marketing director, and so they allow for a car bonus, and I was able to get my wife a nice new car with that, and the company is paying for it. So that's a significant thing for us, and we enjoy that part of it and looking forward to the things to come. Here we are 4 years later, and it's better now than it was then. And I think somebody said proof of concept. Yeah, this is no longer a theory. Incruises is proven. It's proven every day, and it's going to continue to prove. My advice to anyone that's taking a look is to get on now and go ahead and start planning your vacations.